Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a man named David. David was an ordinary man with a keen desire to excel in all aspects of his life. He felt that he had the potential for greatness but lacked the guidance to unleash it. One day, while perusing a dusty old bookstore, he stumbled upon a book with an intriguing title, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Intrigued, David purchased the book and began to read it with great enthusiasm. The book was authored by a renowned self-help expert, Dr. Stephen Covey. As David delved into its pages, he found a wealth of wisdom that would change his life forever. 1. Be proactive. Resonated deeply with David. He realized that he had spent much of his life reacting to circumstances rather than taking control. Determined to change, he started to take responsibility for his actions and choices, and this new mindset transformed his career and personal life. 2. Begin with the end in mind. Encouraged David to set clear goals and a vision for his life. He created a vision board and began setting specific, achievable goals. With a newfound sense of purpose, he felt more motivated and driven than ever before. 3. Put first things first. Taught David the importance of prioritizing tasks that aligned with his goals. He began managing his time more efficiently, eliminating distractions, and focusing on what truly mattered. As a result, he saw significant improvements in his productivity. 4. Think win-win. Changed the way David approached relationships. He learned the value of cooperation and mutual benefit, whether in his personal or professional life. This habit transformed his interactions with others, leading to more harmonious and productive relationships. 5. Seek first to understand then to be understood. Helped David become a better communicator. He learned to listen actively and empathetically, which greatly improved his relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. People began to trust and respect him more as a result. 6. Synergize. Emphasized the power of collaboration and teamwork. David started seeking opportunities to work with others and discovered that their collective efforts often yielded more creative and effective solutions. He joined groups, volunteered, and engaged in collaborative projects that broadened his horizons. 7. Sharpen the saw. Encouraged David to focus on self-renewal and self-care. He realized that he needed to take care of his physical, mental, and emotional well-being to sustain his newfound success and happiness. He started exercising regularly, meditating, and setting aside time for hobbies he loved. Over time, David integrated these 7 habits into his life, and the transformation was remarkable. He became a highly effective person, not just in his career but in his relationships and personal well-being. He achieved his goals, found true happiness, and became a source of inspiration for those around him. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People had not just been a book for David but a guide to a fulfilling and purposeful life. It had shown him the path to excellence and success, reminding him that greatness is within reach for anyone willing to cultivate the right habits.